Today we will do a yoga flow focusing on Janu Sirsasana, head to knee forward fold. Come to sit on the mat, backs of the legs grounding into the floor. Bend your right knee and bring the sole of the foot close to the left thigh. Back of the left leg into the floor. Inhale. Find length in the spine. Reach up through the fingertips. And as you exhale, begin to forward fold. Holding on to the left foot, ankle, or shin. As you inhale, lift the chest up. Create length in the spine. And as you exhale, bend the elbows and fold. Inhale, lifting, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. And exhale, fold. Allow the body to soften with the breath. Don't use the muscles in the arms to pull you down. Allow the head to lower towards the left knee. Inhale, lift the head up and release. Reaching the arms up, find length in the spine. Take your right hand behind the back and the left hand onto the right knee. Twist. Look towards the right. Inhale, creating length in the spine. Exhale, twisting. And release, come to center. Right hand will hold the outside of the left foot. Inhale, lengthen the spine and reach the left hand back towards the back wall. Ground the left leg into the floor. Inhale, creating length, and exhale, twisting. And release. Take your right hand on the outside of the right hip. Lift the hips up and arch the spine. Reach the left fingertips back. Press the hips forward and let the chest open. And once again, inhale, lengthen up, and exhale, move into the forward fold, bringing the head closer to your left knee. Let the body breathe. Let the body soften with the exhale, drawing elbows to the floor. And release. Release that right leg. Take your left hand behind the hips, pressing the right foot into the floor. Go ahead and lift the hips, lift the chest, coming into Wild Thing. Reach through the right fingertips. Arch the spine. Breathe, steady breath, and slowly lower the hips. Come out. Inhale, finding length in the spine, and exhale, we take a forward fold. Knees can be bent. Think about resting the belly, the chest down onto the thighs. Relax the arms, relax the head. Holding on to the toes with the peace fingers. Inhale, lift the chest, lengthen the spine. And then exhale, bend the elbows towards the floor and fold. Let the body go as deep as it goes today. Stay connected with the breath. Belly to the thigh, chest to the thigh. And release the toes. Bend the right knee and bring the right ankle close to the outer edge of the right hip. And with the right arm, hold onto the outer edge of the left foot. And then reach the left arms back as you twist. And release. Hold the left foot now with both hands and draw the head towards the knee. Release. Release the right leg and straighten it out in front, grounding the backs of the legs into the floor. Bending the left knee this time, drawing the sole of the foot to the inner right thigh. Reach the arms up with an inhale and exhale, finding the right foot, ankle, or shin. As you inhale, lengthen the spine, lift the chest. And as you exhale, bend the elbows, let the belly soften, chest soften. Inhale, finding length. Exhale, folding. Use the breath. Inhale, creating length. Exhale, folding. Let the head come to the right knee. And release. Inhale. We'll take a twist, right hand on the outside of the left knee, left hand behind the back. Sit up tall with the inhale and twist with the exhale. Release the twist. Left hand holds the outside of the right foot. Right hand reaches back. Let the chest, let the belly begin to move to the right side. And come to center. Left hand on the outside of the right hip. Lift the right arm up. Lift the chest, lift the hips. Arch the spine. Feel that nice stretch. Reach through the right fingertips. And lower the hips back to the floor. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale. Finding the right foot. Find length in the spine. Exhale, fold. Use your exhale here. Soften the body. Let the head come to the knee. And inhale, lifting back up. Taking the right hand behind the right hip. Press into the left foot. Lift the hips. Arch the spine. Coming into Wild Thing. Press the chest up. Reach through the left fingertips. Steady the breath. Steady the body. And bring it back down. Hips to the floor. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold over both legs. Holding on to the big toes with the peace fingers. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bend the elbows, draw them towards the floor and lower. Belly, chest, and then the head. Remember, don't use the strength in the arms. Use the breath to lower. Inhale, come up and release. We bend the left knee and bring the ankle close to the outer left hip. Holding on to the outside of the right foot with the left hand, reach the right fingertips back. Lift the chest up, press out through the heel, ground through the sit bones, twist. And release the foot down. Hold on to the right foot with both hands. Bend the elbows and draw the head to the right knee. And release. Release the left leg. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, palms to heart center. I hope you enjoyed this short flow. See you next time.